Hey guys, Manaki here. How you doing? In this week's video, we will fix the cursed UI from this
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
to this. But before we get into the video, today's video is sponsored by Notification Bell. Are you missing all your favorite videos because you didn't get notification? Well, don't worry, Notification Bell is here. Just click the notification bell for 99.99 and get all your notifications. Press now, just for 99.99. Alright, let's get in the video. Hey guys, manakisenpai here. Last week we worked on attack animation. Now I will implement it inside Unity. So I'm gonna do that. So I implemented the animation. It took a lot longer than I thought it will. Alright, here we go. And nothing happened. I'm pressing attack, but the attack animation is not firing up for some reason. I checked everything. I can't find it. It's 9 at the night. I really checked everything. When I press A, nothing happens. But you can see the debug log going off. Cooldown is working. Everything is working. It's just a visual glitch. I don't know what's wrong. It's literally there is nothing that can go wrong. And the code is literally this much. Set bool true. That's where the debug is happening. So since this is debugging, it is printing attack. So that is being set. Why the animation is not going here? Am I doing something wrong here? Am I blind? Am I missing something?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Is this happening too fast? What happens if I disable that and just rely on exit time instead? No. Oh, it is. It is. It was that. Oh, thank God. Okay, I found the bug. Uh, so much head scratching. It literally was this much. Kinda cool. I like it. There still needs to be some fixing, but it's cool. Alright, I'm gonna do it tomorrow now. I'm tired. Bye bye. Yesterday I worked on the attack animation. So this happens. It attacks. There is still some bugs. For example, right now it's walking here, but if I aim walking here, aim there, it still attacks in that direction. It's just a visual bug. The attack is actually going there, but so I have to fix it through script. It's easy fix, but before that, you see this stupid UI, like it's terrible. Okay,
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
so I'll draw the UI. You watch my time lapse on it while I listen to Himachin's new video. I hope I don't get copyrighted. Right, that's my new jam. So I'll play this video, add it to my favorite music list, and start drawing. Let's get the time lapse started. Hey guys, it's Thursday today, and so this is where I left. This is what yesterday's progress looks like. I added some placeholder stuff here, but that will change, okay? What I noticed is this UI bar is kind of small, and especially like these item numbers, they are kind of small. So I'll just remove this much part and put it here on the side, item 1 2 3 4 like that, and scale this UI a bit bigger. So alright, so let's do it while I listen to Ori in the background. Hey guys, it's Friday today, and I'll work on the HUD some more. The bottom HUD, currently it looks like this. Yeah, let's improve it. So I'll just create. Whoa, wow. Let's just delete everything and
When
start
they ask you how
again.
you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just
So how does this look? Seems better to me. It's definitely readable and it doesn't really obstruct the view. I mean, I can always make all this stuff smaller. Yeah, seems cool. So this is the controller UI. This is the keyboard UI. I'll add an option to switch between them in settings menu. If you made it this far, then write in the comments F for our old UI, our poor little old UI, and subscribe for more. In next episode, we will torture Aqua Sama. Stay tuned for that. Bye bye.